Hello friends, welcome to Easy Learn. In this video of Standard 8 Maths, we are going to see Chapter 3, Indices and Cube Root, Practice Set 3.3. If you have missed Practice Set 3.2, the link is given in the description box. So let's proceed. Cube and Cube Root. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of the number. For example, 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 6 cube. The answer is 216. Hence, 216 is the cube of 6. Now, the example how to find the cube root by factorization method. We have already studied the factorization method. So, let's see. First, find the cube root of 216. So, what is the first step? The first step is we have to find the prime factors of 216. So, here is the factorization method. We get the factors as 2 into 2 into 2 multiplied by 3 into 3 into 3. So that is the common is 2 and 3, that is 6. Therefore, the cube root of 216 is 6. Practice set 3.3. Find the cube roots of the following numbers. First, 8000. So here are the factors by factorization method. Now we have to see the common numbers. So for cube root, to find the cube, we take the pair of 3. So here this is one pair, this is the second pair, and this is the third pair. So we write 2 into 2 into 5, which is equal to 20. Therefore, the cube root of 8000 is 20. Second, 729. So by factorization method, these are the factors. Now let us find the common factors here. The common are 3 and 3. Therefore, you have the cube root as 9. Therefore, cube root of 729 is 9. 343, the factors are here, and here the common is 7. So for cube root of 343 is 7. Fourth, minus 512. So first we will find the factors for positive 512. Here are the factors. So this 2 into 2 into 2 forms one pair. This 2 into 2 into 2 forms the second pair. And this is the third one. So you have the common as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is 8. And since it is a negative number, we give minus 8. Therefore, minus cube root of 512 is equal to minus 8. Fifth, minus 2744. Again, first the positive factors we have to find out. Now the common among them is 2 and 7, that is 14. Therefore, the cube root of negative 2744 is negative 14. Question 2, simplify. Cube root of 27 upon 125. So first, you have to find the factors, that is cube root of. For 27, the factors are 3 into 3 into 3. And for 125, it is 5 into 5 into 5. Now this I can even write it as cube root of 3 cube and 5 cube, which I can even write it as 3 cube upon cube root of 5 cube. Cube root and cube terms would get cancelled and we get 3 upon 5. Therefore, the cube root of 27 upon 125 is 3 upon 5. Second, cube root of 16 upon 54. Now 16 and 54 are not the perfect cube numbers. So we'll first factorize them. The factors for 16 are 2 into 8 and 54 is 2 into 7. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So what is left is 8 upon 27. So we have to find now the cube root of 8 and 27. The factors for 8 are 2 into 2 into 2 and the factors for 27 are 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, we get it as cube root of 2 cube and 3 cube. which is equal to 2 upon 3. Therefore, the cube root of 16 upon 54 is equal to 2 upon 3. Question 3. If the cube root of 729 is equal to 9, then what is the cube root of 0.000729? Now 0.00729 in the form of, if we have to remove the decimal, the number can be written as 7 to 9 upon, we have to give how many zeros? Shift the number of decimals and you get here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimals we have to shift. So we are writing here 6 zeros, which is equal to now the factors of 7 to 9. That is 9 and the factors below are 100. So we get cube root of 9 the whole cube and cube root of 100 the whole cube, which is equal to 9 upon 100. Now again 9 upon 100 we have to do the decimal shift. In the decimal form it is written as 0.09. Therefore cube root of 0.0000729 is equal to 0.09. Thank you.